score of 7,670. So let's see what it takes to beat that. Because I do want to have that score, and I want to claim that. We get quite the number of games on our list. Oh, I remember. Okay. Boing, boing. Spider bad, fly extra points. So that's how the game works. I'm gonna go with the farthest one, so we don't have to deal with that again. Give me the next croaker. You always get new amounts of time. In terms of that, the game is kinda okay. Let's jump in there and let's go. It's going. Or also from the games we've seen today, Van, was there any game where you said, yeah, this looks like a game I want to play? But did nothing strike a chord yet? Hey, when we get the fly, we take that extra 200. I'm not gonna do the turtles. No. I'm gonna do the turtles because we want to get here. Take the middle one. The clown game, yeah, Clown Domain is awesome. Other than that, not really, except for this one. Really? You would want to play Croak? No, that's some old game. Right there. The last one is always the toughest one. We're gonna make that happen. One way or another. Oh, of course. Oh, that was the edge. That was the edge. I was just like, hey, I gotta postpone this one a bit, but I guess not. Okay, come on. Turtles of the Sea, bestow me with luck. You like straightforward games? This is as straightforward as it gets. Also gets faster now. Oh, there's the chicken. Ah! It gets too fast because the lag from the stage before makes you get... You kind of get used to certain features of this game and then you're like, I don't know anymore. Okay, didn't get the first one. I think if we can we get the duck? Nah, I think we can't get the duck. I just know that it's basically a bad thing to have a run-in with the duck. Oh, uh-oh. I always forget that this doesn't count. Okay, those are like the shortcomings of this game. Some things are just not meant to be. At least not the way you expect them. Oh, see, but that counts. So hitboxes do be doing a number on one. And the other tough part about this game is it's frustrating because the first level takes so long, although it's easy. That once you're here, it's a bit of a... Do I enjoy... Why am I even explaining? Do I enjoy this game enough to give it a second shot? But I do want to have that score, so I'm out of options somewhat. That will do. Okay, let's hope. No. Okay, with the spider there, that's not gonna happen. Let's take the late entrance here. Oh, I was so lucky. Now we just have to hope that we can get over there without the spider pulling our leg. Come on, spider. Oh, yeah. Oh, lucky. I think the chicken can now change directions. I'm not sure, though. Extra 200, we take those. Also, the logging directions have changed, as you can tell. So getting the most right ones are now the difficult ones. Okay, we almost beaten the record first try, although doing so many mess ups. So let's see. We can make up before the chicken makes its return. Okay. That's a gamble. That's a gamble. I'm not willing to take. There we go. Can I really take it there? No, I can't. We just rather go for beating that score for sure. And then see what we can do here. Will we get a wooden log? We do get a wooden log. Okay, that's good. What's up with you? Man pops up like there's no tomorrow. Okay, that's not a scary part. Oh yeah, of course. But we got it still. It's all good. The craw, I think it's just like if your time runs out, the craw is gonna be a thing. Oh, we got the third one. Nice. Oh, now it's even faster? Okay, now it's getting crazy. I pressed up, but it was like, yeah, you wanna get that fly? I digress. Yes! Oh! Boing, 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 boing. We get a log, we take a log. We get a log, we take a log. That's just how it's always been. Let's see how far we can take it, because those are slow ones. Okay, not very far. I'm an idiot. 9,150. But it was our first try, so 9,150. I'm gonna set this score just like that, because I'm pretty sure this is one of these where Mantelo is just gonna jump on and say, yep, you know what? I can beat that easily. And mostly he does, and we have our score races on.